This hackathon, we implemented a brand new Plesk and WP Toolkit MCP server extension. It allows you to connect your Plesk server to your large language model of choice through any client with MCP support. You can easily install the extension on any supported Plesk Obsidian for Linux. Once installed, you are presented with a choice of popular LLM clients with respective configuration snippets, including settings for a generic MCP client. Additionally, you may provide an OpenAI API key to enable Plesk knowledge base integration that contains data from the documentation, support articles, and the extension catalog. There's also a way to reset all authentication tokens. To configure your LLM client, just follow the provided instructions, which usually involves simply pasting and saving the provided configuration. Once this is done, we can ask the AI agent what this MCP server allows it to do. It will inspect its capabilities and provide a comprehensive report. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a new open source standard that connects AI apps to external systems like files, databases, and online services. Think of it as a USB-C port for AI. One server makes your service accessible to many apps, and one app can connect to multiple servers at once. Some examples of AI apps that MCP server connects to include open source type AI desktop app, popular Claude desktop app from Anthropic, and even a custom AI assistant as created by the Nova project, which can be embedded into Plesk or on a hoster support portal as a widget. Let's see some use cases. First, let's try to diagnose and fix a recent mail issue on a Plesk server. It prevents the dovecode service from starting after the update, and you cannot log into roundkube webmail as well. In this case, we actually have a small fleet of Plesk servers attached through MCP to VS Code. Let's ask the AI agent to help us out on a given server. It will take a little while, but the agent will detect that the service is down and pinpoint the issue in its configuration and fix it. As we can see, the service is now running. And the agent will provide us a comprehensive summary, including root cause and the applied solution. After that, we can ask it to inspect the other servers as well and fix them if needed. We also ask it to generate a markdown file with a report. It successfully completes this task as well. Next, we'll have AI assist us in bug verification. I have a test server attached here, as well as Jira. When provided with the bug to verify, the agent will fetch the issue details, extract step to reproduce, and the expected result, and then test everything on the provided Plesk server. At the end, we get a full verification report, and we can see that everything is fixed, except one case that has a partial issue. Note that the exact same approach can be used for reproducing an issue during development, testing the changes to help figure out a root cause, and to enhance engineering processes in other ways as well. Next, we'll ask Claude Desktop to help us deploy a web application. First, let's ask it to create a domain and secure it with a free SSL certificate. We can see that the domain was created. Then it will get secured using a Let's Encrypt certificate. Next, we asked it to deploy a web application from the sources on GitHub. It will actually use Plesk Git extension to fetch and deploy the sources. Understand that this is a React white Node.js app that needs to be built. Enable Node.js on the domain and build the application. It will locate the build products and properly configure document root for the site. It will also make sure future deployments are automated. And we get a fully working web application. You can install the Plesk MCP extension now and see you next hackathon. Thank you.